Do you want to be able to fix too many requests in ChatGPT? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. This error occurs when the servers are too crowded or if you ask too many questions on ChatGPT. First off, you need to check if the servers are down. Go to OpenAI status in Google and open the first link. Here you can see that all systems are operational. If the systems are down, means that a lot of random errors occur. The second thing you can do to fix this bug is log out of your account on ChatGPT and log in back. If this still doesn't fix the issue, go to your cookie settings on your internet browser. So first go to settings. From there on, go to privacy and security and then look at the cookie setting. From here, you need to clear your cookies data and from there you can try again on ChatGPT. This most likely will fix your issue. If this still doesn't work, you could also try to switch browsers. For example, go from Google Chrome to Safari or Google Chrome to Firefox or vice versa. Or you could just wait a couple of minutes and then try again. This should all fix your problems. If this still didn't work, you could leave a comment and I can check for a right solution. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.